today's video, we are going to cover one of the most important subjects, and that is safety, security, and first aid. And guess what? We put everything we need right here in this little Altoids can. It's convenient, it's small, and it fits right in your pocket. The days of traveling with this in your pack are gone. I have everything I need right here. So let's jump in here and we'll show you everything we carry. All right guys, so we love traveling, and anytime we head out, we always bring our trusted little safety Altoids kit that we made at home. Everything that can be found in this kit is down below in our bio at our Amazon store, so it's really easy to just go purchase what you guys need to make your own at home. Now, everybody always remembers to bring their headphones, their watch, their wallet, or whatever else they may need, but they always forget about their first aid, safety, and things they might need while they're out on a trip. So let's jump inside and see what we keep inside here. All right, so the first thing that we keep in our Altoids travel safety kit is our pills. You never know when you might need some ibuprofen, some triple antibiotic cream, some hydroxychloroquine, even some stuff for if maybe you have upset stomach while you're traveling around, you can take it and it helps the stomach. I think everybody needs that, right? All right, so now that we have covered that, our next item that we always carry with us are, of course, your trusty Band-Aids. We make sure to cover two sizes, one of the large ones and, of course, one of the small ones. You never know when you're out and about and your feet are killing you, you have a blister, whatever it needs, you at least have something you can use instead of going back to the hotel. And it all fits perfectly inside the Altoids can. So our favorite item in this entire kit is going to be this trusty little Night Eyes brand tool. So you have the flathead part for tool that we use on the camera probably every time we take it out. It has a little sharp edge to it. You also have the wrench section in the center, a D-ring clip, but probably the best part is that little wrench. If you look at it carefully, you have different screw sizes that you can fit it into to break anything loose. And the best part and most important part is your bottle opener. And then for good measure, you can also measure small things. Not too bad, a couple bucks, and it's all in the store below. All right, so one of the most important things that we have found when traveling is always make sure you have zip ties. I can't count how many times I've had a bag rip, piece of clothing, belt, whatever happens. You at least have a zip tie that you can put it within the fabric, zip it down, and you're ready to go. Make sure your trip is never ruined. All right, so if you didn't like the first tool, you can always pick up one of these small flat ones. It has a lot of the same things, maybe a sharper edge. This is the Stanley model. You can find it on Amazon. This one has the bottle opener, the wrench section, a really nice sharp edge too. And then you also have the saw section. It's a great tool if you want something that's more diverse, but we really like the Night Eyes the best probably. Now, one of the most important things that everybody forgets, or should carry at least, is some form of tourniquet. Now, this isn't going to be a super heavy-duty tourniquet that you can have, but it will work great for small children, maybe your arms, and if you have to use it around, say, a thigh or a leg, you just tie it together, and at least you have some form of a tourniquet. They're super cheap. They come in a really large sack, and if you ever use one or you want to practice with them, you guys can, because they're so easy to get. They fit perfectly inside the Altoids can. We just leave them wrapped the way they are. All right, and then the best item that every traveler needs to have is a trusty flashlight. This is the Olight flashlight. These run about $9.99 on Amazon. We cannot suggest these more. They are super bright. They last, I think it was said, about 10 hours, but we always make sure we carry an extra battery. But this flashlight is fantastic. I think it's probably the best small flashlight I've ever owned, and I'm a big flashlight guy. But we really suggest having this with you. And then, of course, always make sure that you have your extra battery to go along with it, because you never know where you're at. Electricity goes out. And then I wrap the extra battery in electrical tape, because you always need tape when you're out and about, or if you find yourself in a difficult situation. Tape is just always the go-to. In the Altoids can, we use all the space we can. So you pop it open, you'll see that we have more electrical tape, but we also have duct tape. Duct tape comes in handy for the most important stuff. Now, let's just say if you're really stranded, you're out in the woods, whatever it may be, you can also remove the tape and you have a little mirror on the inside. It works great for reflections, to gain other people's attention. Just the little things, but it's nice to have that tool. Okay, guys, so that concludes everything that we keep in our survival Altoids travel kit when we travel. Again, you can take this through TSA, no issues whatsoever. And if you get a difficult TSA agent, you can just throw it away. Not a big deal, because it's all pretty cheap. Again, all this can be found below in our Amazon store, in our bio, so definitely go check it out, purchase if you want, and hopefully this helps you guys in your travels. definitely go below, subscribe, like the video, go check out the rest of our content. We love to put out new stuff, so please follow along and have safe travels, guys. Till next time.